Hi there, this is Linda from Let's Talk Prepping, and I bought this Coleman oven that you can put on top of a rocket stove. And that's why I bought it, because I felt I could control maybe the heat a little bit better or the temperature with the rocket stove, and I'd be cooking outside. But today we're going to take this and put it together, and we're going to put it on the wood stove and see if I can get the temperature up enough to bake some cookies. They're frozen cookies, but they certainly look good. Okay, we get a rack here, and then we have the stove, and it actually is quite heavy, much heavier than you would think for a folding stove. So here it is. Let's see, we can open it up. It's got a top and a bottom. If I open the top up, yes, I have to see these little things here. I have to make sure that they catch, and then I just turn that, and I'm going to turn it over. Oops, I get the catch there. Make sure they do. Catching on that side, catching that one. There we go. And then on the bottom here, this one comes down. And again, we have to just make sure it catches in here. Catching there. And here. And then I just push this like so. Okay, so here it is. All ready to go. We're going to start the wood stove. We're going to put it on top of the wood stove and see if we can get it up to temperature. I think it needs to go to 325. So we'll see in a bit with the wood stove. Stove there is about 350. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the oven right up there, and we'll see if it gets hot enough to bake our cookies. Okay, we tried to get this oven up to 330. The stove itself, the temperature is 500 degrees. It's been that way for quite a while. The most I can get this one to is 200 degrees. Not enough to cook my cookies. I was really looking forward to them. So what we're going to do is we will try this on top of a rocket stove outside. But for now, it will not work on my wood stove, and we had the wood stove roaring. Be sure and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Like the video. If you have anything to tell us about one of these Coleman ovens, let us know. Thank you very much.